When the latkes come out of the frying pan, they're going to be hot and oily. So you want to make sure to get as much of the oil up as possible without letting them soak back in it. So you need a plate, a cooling rack, and some paper towels. Instead of just putting paper towels on your plate to absorb the oil, we're going to put a cooling rack on top of the plate so that there's an extra layer for the oil to drip through. If you're just putting paper towels on, then the paper towels, while they're going to absorb the oil, are also just sitting here. If it's on the plate, it's holding everything in. Now, there's still going to be a lot of oil in the paper towels, but it's not going to be quite as bad as if it were just sitting on the plate, absorbing everything and holding all of that down. By putting the extra layer of the cooling rack on the plate, then we're allowing some of the oil to get through so the potatoes aren't sitting in their own absorbed oil, and hopefully they're slight bit healthier.